Your first step in finding your right career is understanding our secret 4-part formula. A good use for the 4-part formula is performing a career checkup. It could be on your last job, your current job, or a prospective job. Let's get started. The first circle is be your best. You can do that by leveraging your natural strengths and personality. Our program will 1. Help you understand your personality and the careers that are a good fit. 2. Help you find your top skills and your top 5 natural strengths and how they can align with your career. 3. Help you understand myths most people buy into which work against them. Here's some questions for you about the blue Be Your Best circle. 1. Is your personality a good fit with your job, past, current, or prospective job? Does your job leverage your natural skills? Or, for example, are you swimming upstream by doing a job that requires analysis skills when that is not natural for you? The next circle is meaning and passion. If you don't love your job, you'll lose out to people who do and are not just working for a paycheck. What do you most enjoy talking about with friends? What would your best friend say you love the most? Here's some questions for you about the red meaning and passion circle. Are you pursuing your passion but not making enough money? Do you make enough money but have no passion for what you're doing? Are you pursuing a passion where you can't be your best because it doesn't leverage your natural personality and strengths? The third circle is fuel your economic engine. Here's some questions for that circle. Does your job not provide enough income to support your style of living? Do you have a job that leverages your natural personality and strengths and is your passion, but you barely make enough money to pay your rent or mortgage? Do you make the money, but you're trapped in a job that's not fulfilling? The final circle is your personal agenda. Here's some questions for that circle. 1. Do you like where you live? Or do you want to move? Does your job give you enough time to be with your family? Do your values and the company's values align? Your personal agenda will change as you move through life. Therefore, this circle has a large influence on your choice of a career. Balance is key. As you move through life, what was in balance can go out of balance. It is not rocket science, but not always easy, and support can make the difference. Let our program, whether you use it to do it yourself or you buy it, support you to make the changes you need to be happier. When this video finishes, you'll be on the home page of the site. There are 2 pages we recommend you explore. The program page provides a good overview. The resources page provides 3 free resources. Of the 3, I recommend you start with the 6 steps video. 1, it will help you define your personal versions of each of the circles in the 4-part formula. 2, it will provide you enough information to do it yourself. This website can help you find your right career, either 1, by using the free resources to do it yourself, or 2, by buying our system. Good luck in your search for the career that's right for you.